It was during this period that the MD of TKM, Toyota Kirloskar Motors, visited our facility. While touring the facility, he saw the Colors Park and then he saw the hoarding and he found it very interesting. He looked at it and started smiling. Hi, this is Ganesh Kumar from AR Pro Academy. We are continuing with our branding exercise. So, what we discussed in the previous episode about sensory branding. What is sensory branding? The branding exercise which stimulates our five senses. Let me repeat, the branding exercise which stimulates our five senses, starting with your sight, smell, taste, hearing, and touch. So, together, all these, if they are stimulated, you will get the best results in branding your product. That is what is called sensory branding. Today, in fact, some people call it also holistic branding. And today, a lot of organizations have started sensory branding. That means you are stimulating more than two. In the current scenario, if you see the TVCs, the TV commercials, we are normally using only two of these. We are stimulating only two of our senses. That is the sight and the sound. For example, look at the MGM, the movie giant MGM's branding. The brand shows a lion on the picture, the image of a lion which comes to life and then the lion roaring. Today, every child can identify the brand. Similarly, Columbia or any other movie houses, all of them have got similar branding exercise where mostly it is only two of the senses are stimulated. So let us see how all the senses can be stimulated: sight and color. And then along with the senses, if a story is used, it becomes all the more helpful for people for branding and for the customers to remember. Let us see a story, a similar story. There is a food drink brand called Innocent Drink in the UK. How did they start this brand? A group of people came together and then they made a smoothie. Smoothie is a fruit drink. They made a smoothie and then they sold it in a music festival. And above the stall they put up a banner saying that if you want us to make this smoothies continuously, we have to leave our job and then come back and then start doing it. So for us to take a decision, we need your votes. So what you have to do is, we have kept two bins on either side of our stall, one yes and the other no. If you want us to leave our jobs and then continue doing this, please put your empty bottles in the yes bin. So at the end of the day, they found that yes bin was almost full and there were hardly anything in the no bin. And then, which gave them a confidence to get into this business of smoothies. And this particular brand is doing wonderfully well. The learning from this is the smoothie which Innocent is selling is not much different from other brands. But what was important was the story became very popular. In today's language, it became viral and then people started consuming this particular brand. So stories have got that kind of an impact on human minds. Now let us see how we can do it in a car showroom. In sight, what we are talking now is the sight using colors. Brands normally they highlight different colors and then that's how they try to attract customers. Today you have got so many colors, all our cars coming in different colors. Some of the colors we are able to visualize, some of the colors we are not able to visualize. So how do we capitalize on this? After the negotiations, finalizing the car, everything, the customer wants to choose the car. My observation, I have seen in most of the dealerships, the sales consultant takes the customer to the yard where you will find all the cars completely covered with dust. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but almost everything. And then what they do is they just swipe with their hand so that a small portion of the car is visible to the customer, and the customer reluctantly chooses the color. This used to be the situation even in the dealership where I was working in North Karnataka, in Hubli. In all the dealerships where I work, we had a room called Obeya room. Obeya is a Japanese word where the strategies are formed. You can also call it a planning room or a war planning room. You will not find any chair or table in that room. You will only find a whiteboard and a lot of post-it notes. We invariably make all strategy decisions standing up and discussing. And if somebody wants to give his idea, they are free to write it on a post-it and then put it on the whiteboard, which we discuss, we brainstorm, and then finalize. So this particular issue of color came up for discussion in the Obeya room, and we gathered together and then we did a brainstorm. And the outcome was really fantastic. What we did was we called up our agency, and then we made an area where we put up a small hoarding which said Colors Park. So near that we parked every color, that means each variant, every color, that means about 5 to 6 or 7 all the colors clean, where the customer can see and then can understand the color correctly and then choose. And this Colors Park also had a peculiarity. What we chose in the image was not cars. What we did was we selected the young ones, or the babies of different animals. It was maybe baby elephants, fish, puppies, kitten, all these things, because most of the people get attracted to these kind of images, and we definitely cannot keep them, the live ones, in the showrooms. So these images were kept under that in different colors. That means you can find red horse, sometimes the small ponies, even fish also in different colors. It was actually a visual imagination of all which were depicted on the hoarding or a small banner. So one particular day, in fact, every week we used to change the theme. So one particular week it was a small herd of baby elephants, and elephants in all sorts of colors, where the Innova came in red, silver, all colors. It was during this period that the MD of TKM, Toyota Kirloskar Motors, visited our facility. While touring the facility, he saw the Colors Park, and then he saw the hoarding, and he found it very interesting. He looked at it and started smiling. The reason for smiling came out from his mouth. Red elephant, very interesting. And then he went on to comment about it, and then happily he went away. So colors are used very effectively in your sensory branding. You can imagine, for children, for newborn babies, pink means a girl, a blue, a white. Even colors also stood for various reasons. For a long time, red color was not used in advertising, because red was at that time earlier associated with violence, blood, similar things. But now red is a very vibrant color which is used very effectively in advertising. Now let me come back to another story which is part of the history. I don't know how many of you know that carrots which you munch now came in all colors except red or orange. It came in white, black, blue, all sorts of colors. But the Dutch, those days, was ruled by the Spaniards, and the monarch William I Orange, he led the people to freedom, driving out the Spaniards. And the Dutch people, they brought a mutant seed of orange carrot from Western Africa and started producing orange carrots, what we see today. Even the Dutch earlier had their flags orange, white and blue, which is now changed to red, white and blue. It was a tribute for their leader who gave them freedom from the Spaniards. But again, they never capitalized on this opportunity for branding. It was a spectacular event where the entire nation adopted orange. And today, when we speak about carrots, we remember Bugs Bunny. Either Bugs Bunny or the people did not know that carrot had come in different colors. And then now people have settled on the orange. The story of orange carrot which has come from a mutant seed. So today we have discussed about the colors. And then if you look at even some of the brands which you see in TVCs, the celebrities, they use the same color of clothes. For example, Sunlight. If you see them, they use yellow. Some soaps like Chandrika or Margo, all those people, the color of the particular product is color coordinated so that it gives an impression, or in your subconscious mind, you are able to associate with the color. Tomorrow or in the next episode, we will discuss a different sense. Maybe today we discussed about the visual. Next we will discuss about sound. Thank you.